Sweet! Smoke! Shit, where all the homies at? Fuck they at? Damn. Fuck it.
Hey.
Carl, no time to chit-chat. Been seeing a Seville family beer, work out on the street, and the boys don't like it. I'm pinned down in Seville hood, and we need a ride out of here. Pronto.
Oh, for sure, man. Hang in there.
Drop by Emmett and get heated.
I like the road stuff, but it costs.
He was thinking of his wife, little children.
Hey there. What's up, dog? This city's full of dogs.
For sure.
You ever been to that glory hole theme park?
Not yet, man.
All right, take care now.
Let me go find some chronic later.
I got crabs the size of baseball.
Slowly he walked outside. He was thinking of his wife, little children.
You hit!
How his drinking had ruined their lives. Then John, he stared off into that street light. In a vision, filled his whole heart with dread.
Hey, asshole. Oh! Oh! What you gonna do now, huh?
That's my brother. Get a car, we'll meet you out front.
Into that street light. In a vision, filled his whole heart with dread.
My watch.
For it was him, lying drunk there,
Seville family on our case, nigga.
clutching in his hand.
She got a sister, CJ. You want her number?
This is what it said.
Green blasting on green ain't no way to run a family. Shit is crazy, bruh. We gotta bring the family back together.
Ease up, son. Man, Seville family's gone too far this time.
You hear that?
CJ, you
It's a song
asshole.
about drinking and feeling miserable. You see, men have morning sickness.
I'll see you inside, baby. Man, this set tripping is killing the families. You did good back there.
Hey, I'm a Johnson boy.
Hey, I got unfinished business. Big love.